ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkia. Kasyong ha ka jinglong scam, bat jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka kali ka bansan ya ka lintiya jongpi, kala banong ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo kanda hinyo lai.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih jangka Sorkar jelah urakam sangma ulaong. Baka Sorkar kadang Bishar Bniah ya karai bela penmi dak ying Bishar Supreme Court ke baong baka diploma in elementary education bela penlong dekat National Institute of Open Schooling kamde setia ke valid diploma benlong nong hikai. Hakijnya keren bar kilat patai khubor urakam sangma ula kentat ru banyat ho Bniah alokane berula penpau baka Sorkar kendang Bishar Bniah bin babin syua ban syem ya kanu karai.
The government has to first study the copy of the Honorable Supreme Court judgment. We will go through, and necessary step will be taken up. But however, in 2014-15 years, about more than 20,000 teachers from the state of Meghalaya has been trained through this NEOS program. So this is the issue. But however, on this development, government will study and will examine the contents, the entire contents of the judgment of the Supreme Court, and will take this necessary step ahead. It's not a case about Meghalaya. It's a case about Uttarakhand, right? It's a case about the state of Uttarakhand. So the NEOS and our Ministry of Education should file the review petition on this. However, if the merit and the issues with the detailed content in the contents of the Honorable Supreme Court order, I think government can take a necessary step and can work out the way forward.